Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me, Matt, again. How's everyone doing? I hope you're doing great. Yeah. I'm gonna upload my vlog after the school year because I'm so busy. I hope I can vlog till Friday. Many things. A scrapbook which is due on Wednesday. Bandit. Ito pante oh.
Lagay mo na lahat ng... Ang galing yan. Ba't kayo naluwas yan? Sabi mo nga. Ba't kayo naluwas yan? Nakakainis.
Dalawa
Ang
pa.
galing.
Dalawa
Dala
pa.
ni Mama.
2 fan. Ang galing yan sa festival.
Magbabilis ka doon ng pag...
Magdadala nga ako ng isa para pag mai.
Ako din.
A few moments later.
Walking. It's kind of cloudy today. I need options. For my first page. Then di ko na alam what I'm gonna do now. Why is it so bright in the back that I cannot?
Ayan na naman si ate ko. Naglalaro na naman siya ng ganda-gandahan.
I mean, like, if I was uploading in Facebook, I don't know. Why would I do that? How would I do that? Okay na to, Day. Pwede na to. Design man lang, design. Share then in Google Docs. I mean Google Drive. Okay na naman po siya. An essential aspect of creativity is being not afraid to fail. So, view in Google Drive.
Ryan versus Phoenix Ray. Last year, Ryan won by a single step. Who will win this year? Yearbooks are here. The long-awaited day is nearly upon us. The day you get your copy of this year's most art story. That is. If you have ordered this paper yearbook, you'll pick it up in the multi-purpose story-focused block on Thursday, 20th. Evening of Dare. This year's Evening of Dance, Healing and Chaos. Today's fun fact is that honey never spoils. That's all for
Honey
today,
never
Makai. Have a
spoils?
great day.
What?
I'm still working on my skirt and I'm...
Can I upload it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Many hours later.
Okay, bye-bye! What a great day. Uy, wala akong assignment, pero may project akong gagawin. I got my fan in here! Girl!
Number 1 fan?
Init! Ang init! Okay, let's go. Daming ka-artihan. Tara na. It's the transition with the red hair girl. Sa'yo lang naramdaman ang di ko man hinanap. Wow, oh, ikaw ikaw palang asal ko ng ulan. 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 Pagod na ako dahil.
3 hours later.
Hi guys kayo, hi kayo, hi kayo, mag-hi kayo. Mag-hi ka, babae. Ay, abaw. So guys, we're going to the awards night and it's already 6:40. 6:40. Ano oras na?
I don't know.
Grabe na yung puti ng camera. Focus. Focus to me. Focus to me. Focus to me.
Totoo mo sa kanila. Saan mo napulot yung bike?
Oh, there. Just there.
Dito ka nag-bike?
Yeah.
Dito rin siya nakapulot ng bike.
Ganon. Sakit ang ulo ko, be. Wow. Outfit check.
A few minutes later.
Lena Petros. The following students are this year's recipients of the Home Ec Department Awards. Ruckman Dillon, Kata Hyatt, McLean Gutierrez, and Tallulah McLean. The following students are being recognized for excellence in the hair program. Soraya Felipe Alves, and we couldn't be prouder of them. For service with distinction. And Lucia Danister, Talia Tuzundi, and Lucy Frazier. Yu Ching Jia and Aya Reyes.
Tomorrow for sure.
Happy Tuesday, everyone. So, yeah. Here I am walking. Hala. Feeling main character. Kidding. But anyways, yeah. Outfit check. I just wear Suzuki. My jacket is Suzuki, guys. See you later. Bye-bye. Love you. Ayan, so after so many hours, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa school kasi I was so busy. Ang daming ginagawa. But anyways, yeah, here I am, 3:28 a.m. in the morning. Hindi na natulog. Well, natulog ako yan like 4 hours lang, mga ganon. Or 3 hours kasi like natulog ako ng 4 a.m. Tapos nagising ako ng mga 6:30, ganon. So this is June 19, 3 a.m. Then I finished my project June 20, like in the morning. Hindi na ako natulog ng buong araw ng 19 para matapos yung project na yun. Pinipigilan ko talaga yung antok. Pinipigilan ko yung antok, be, habang ginagawa ko yung project ko. But yeah, it was all worth it. I got perfect score in my project. But yeah, like I remember our kwarto is so messy. Like, wala, be. Iniwan ko yung kwarto namin na sobrang kalat, be. Kasi like mga, I think 7:30 ko na natapos. Then nagpatulong lang din ako kay ate para matapos ko talaga magdikit ng mga kung ano day. Kasi iiyak na ako. Ala, iiyak! Prepare pa ako, di ba, bago pumasok sa school. Kasi 9, like mga 9 pasok namin eh. Oh my God. But it was all worth it, guys. Promise. And I'm gonna show you the results in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hala! So yeah, guys, this is my final project. So yeah, I think I did well. And this is a book review. Marami kaming option na pwedeng pagpilian na pwedeng gawin para sa book review namin. Pero pinili ko yung journal kasi I think mas stay ko yun, ganon. Then yung parang criteria lang nito, journal mo dapat maging parang parehas kayo ng main character dun sa book na binasa mo, ganon. Yeah. And I did this for 2 weeks, I guess. For like all of the research and for all the type stuffs like letters and all of the information that I put into the journal. And yeah, it was all worth it because I got 100 over 100. Oh my God, thank you po. Thank you lahat sa tumulong. naiyak na talaga ako. Akala ko hindi ko siya matatapos. But yeah. I recommend this book because it's so good. This is my first book, like English book that I read. And it was so good. Like, umiyak ako. Naalala ko, umiyak ako nito. Like, nung matapos ko siya sa library tayo, umiiyak ka. Hati, umiiyak. Saring. But yeah, maganda siya. I would give it a 10 out of 10. The title is The How and the Why by Cynthia Hand. Yeah, guys. Yes, recommend this book.
Documents go in Google Classroom. Make sure that anything that you type up goes in Google Classroom. Anything that you can put in Google Classroom for this project.
The next morning.
Hi, everyone. This is the last Friday. Oh my god. How's everyone? Oh my god, where's my case? I'll just wear my glasses because I couldn't see myself. Wait. Hello, guys. Can you see me? Can you see me? So yeah, this is the last Friday of school. Thank you naman. Hala, thank you naman. So guys,
Canada Day is coming in the next
July.
Almost-
Is it July 4?
1.5 weeks. Canada Day. Oh, it's July 1st.
Oh, first.
Happy Canada Day. So guys, it's our dinner dance or more like graduation prom. And I bought this
Vlog takeover.
Amazon. Yeah, vlog.
I just woke up today, you know. Like after
For like 12 hours.
after I come home last
Slept like
yesterday. Girl, all I didn't know what happened last
I
night.
arrived around 5 something and he already
Bimbo, magstay ka dyan. Wait lang, hawakan ko siya. 5, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Best day. Ayan. Perfect. So I just returned my stuffs and my bag was so full because I removed my things on my bag. So, ayan, it's so full. So yeah, we're gonna play Turlet. Probably 15 minutes. Because it's standing. I'll just see yung buhok ko naman. Bye-bye. See you guys later.